Hello everybody, welcome back to my train shed. I hope everybody is happy and well. So today's video I want to talk about engine sheds, TMDs, and more specifically 3D printed ones. Now, so many of us have been hit hard by the cost of living crisis. So like me and many others, we're on a budget, and I truly believe that 3D printing is a huge step forward to help lower these costs. So I've been looking for a 4-lane TMD in my budget for my new 00 gauge layout that I'll be building within the next few weeks. So as Lord Al says, I got on the old tippy tappy and I found Mark. Mark was designing and building 3D printed engine sheds. So I contacted him and I asked if he could build one for me, but I needed it in specific dimensions, and it needed to be 4-lane, and also it needs to be customized to what I needed it to be. So I drew him a rough sketch, and then he designed it on his computer and sent that to me to make sure I was happy, and it was absolutely perfect. Really happy with his work. So then Mark started building it for me, and he sent me pictures as he went through the build to make sure I was still happy with everything. Now Mark can build you an engine shed to whatever dimensions you have. You know, even if you want to fit a full-size DMU in there, he will do that for you, and also in a choice of colours. Now these are not just printed, he also fully assembles them for you, so you don't have to do anything. The only thing I have to do is fit these doors. He includes these with them, so that you can either add them if you want to leave a door closed, or cut them if you wanted to leave one half open or a quarter of the way. It's completely up to you. Now, this was delivered to me undamaged. You know, Mark assembled it all for me, and it came and it was just so well packaged, no damage at all, and the delivery was very, very quick. You know, he kept me updated throughout the build process, and regularly sent me pictures. And I also want to say these are not just flimsy, these are extremely well made and very well priced. Now, if your engine shed requires a lot of design work and materials, you know, obviously that's going to be reflected in the price. But I was very, very happy with the price that Mark quoted for the work that he did. You know, I highly recommend him. So what I've done, I've included Mark's email address in the description, and there's also a website there which will be coming soon. And I've also included Mark's eBay shop, but I highly recommend that you contact him via email first, just so you can go through what you need specifically with Mark. Now I just want to say I'm not on any commission or anything like that, and I paid fully for my engine shed. Mark has been incredibly generous. You know, he didn't ask me to do this video, you know, I've done it for him. It's just something I wanted to do to promote Mark's business. It's been so good and so helpful to me, so that's why I've done this video. And Mark has offered a 5% discount on any orders that you place with him if you mention my channel name. So when you contact him, just put in there Model Railway Shed Deano. He knows who I am, and then he'll add a 5% discount for you. And as I say, I just like to help promote businesses, and also to help others in this great hobby to save a few quid. I truly believe that 3D printing is the way forward. So, as usual, please share this video if you can, guys, and I'll see you all again on the next one.